Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh, Luna's out here. I'm adding a video to YouTube, finally. So no hike planned or anything like that. We're just cooking up some pork chops and bacon on the fire here. So I thought I'd just make a quick video so that I could have something up. And it's been quite a while. And I know there's a couple people anyways in the subscribers section that want to have a chance to check out another video here. You'll have to let me know in the comments if it looks like my beard has gotten longer since the hike. Probably. I know it's gotten grayer, a lot grayer. So we got a little fire going here. I wish I would have thought to make this video before I started the fire. We could have done that. I used Aaron's fire starters. I ordered some more too. We'll have to check those out when they come in. Should be here in the next few days. Luna! Yeah. Luna, come here. Luna, come here. Luna, come here. Put Luna on TV again. Remember Luna from the hike through the woods? You go girl. Yeah, we still got her. She's probably a permanent fixture now. Aren't you, Loons? Yeah, you good girl. Too many kisses. Okay, go on now. Go play. She likes running around out here when we're having a fire. Yeah, try to get this to stand up right. Alright. Try something like that, I guess. So, let's just have a look at the fire, and we'll wait till we get the coals hot enough to do some cooking. We'll be back. Getting some very nice hot coals now. And putting a little bit more wood on now. I think what I'm going to do is let this burn down pretty good. Get some nice hot coals to cook over. It's going to be tasty. I don't know. I'm going to... Okay, so I got bacon. And I got pork chops. Both, obviously, pork. I'm thinking cook the bacon first and then cook the pork chops in the bacon grease. How does that sound? Well, we'll see how it turns out. I'm gonna get down here. I think I should bring a chair out here. I need a frickin' chair, man. This is crazy. I'm gonna bring out my chair, my camping chair. Okay. So I had to go and get my headlamp. It's a necessity. Wanted to show you what we got to work with here. Here we got some kitchen cravings. I believe this is Quick Trip. I don't know, $4, not bad. Center cut pork chops. Seems like they might be still a little frozen. I'll have to set those kind of by the fire there to defrost, maybe. Set them down in there. Okay guys, this is what we all came for here, boy. Hickory smoked warm bourbon bacon by Steve's Meat Market. Steve's Meat Market is located in Ellendale, Minnesota. Small town. Aaron and I and the kids used to live there. Says here established in 1973. These guys have awards, state awards and national awards for their cuts of meat and the way they season. And they decorate the whole joint with them. So hickory smoked warm bourbon bacon from Steve's Meat Market. You gotta check that stuff. Sorry, bleep that again. Getting a little too overcooked maybe. Set it over there. And then here we just got an old beat up frying pan. I'm gonna douse some butter in here when it comes time. As you see, the fire's starting to burn down here. So we're getting closer to showtime. And I think I'm not going to throw any more wood on there. I think what I am going to do is readjust this a little bit here, kind of start smearing it out and getting it ready. It's about that time. Find a decent stick here. That'll do. So what you want to do is try to get these coals underneath where you're going to be cooking, right? Because that's obviously the fuel for the main show. Get them down nice. A little more over there, perhaps. Right there. Let's move this puppy into play. Get that to burn down. I hope this is turning out okay on the video. I didn't check to see how centered everything is. But that's kind of how you do it. Get a little bit more of the embers on there. Now when I drop this grate down, it'll be pretty close to being completely covered in the heat. Always put out your fire stick before throwing it back in the pile, right? Alright, I'll get back to you. Okay, so what I've managed to do is get the wood burned down enough. There's still a little bit of flames under there, but I'm just heating the pan right now. It's warm enough, so I think what I'm going to do is throw in the butter, cut the bacon open, and get that going. So hold on tight, it's about to get real exciting. Here we go. Get over here out of the smoke. Holy cow. There's a lot of smoke. Got some ash in the pan, but that's okay. Here's the butter. Not much, but it's plenty to use what we're gonna do with it. Hear that? Yeah. Oh, lost a little. That's okay. There we go, boys and girls. We're gonna get that frying up. Put the butter away. On to Steve's bacon. Oop, knocked the post. Okay, so there's a couple of theories on how to cook bacon. And when I camp, I cook it like this. Got a few more pieces in the bag. Peel it off and throw it in there. Why? Because you got to mix it all up to cook it anyways, right? So eventually it all gets stirred in. And I tell you what, cooking 2 or 3 at a time, that ain't cool, man. That takes all day. Throw them all in together and mix them around. That seems to work pretty good for me. I actually learned this from watching some outdoor guys on YouTube. Okay, well, how am I gonna stop recording when my hands are filled with grease? Look at that. She's a cooking away. I know. Be smarter than the tools you have around you. Here we go. Catch you later. So I'm gonna go ahead and just load this up with the pork chops because I think they're gonna take a while to cook anyways. So I'm gonna try to save myself some time by moving these puppies out of the way. These are getting close to being done. Oh, excuse me. So we'll have bacon shortly. But I'm just going to get these chops on here. Jeez, if I can make some room, huh? Again, Quick Trip brand, I believe. If you don't know what Quick Trip is, it's a gas station. Minnesota, Wisconsin. I don't know, maybe Iowa for a little bit. Yeah, they're still a little solid in the middle. Still a little frozen, but we're going to go ahead and put them on. Put this guy on right there. And get this puppy out. Oh yeah, still plenty frozen. That's alright. We'll cook them slow. And then they should turn out okay. Well, looks like I gotta wash my hands again. But those are gonna be nice. No seasoning. I figure what I'm gonna do is just expect that the butter and the bacon grease will soak into the chops. That's what I'm going for anyways. Alright. I'll be back in a bit. I got you guys about as close as I can get you without actually having you in the fire. So what I'm going to show you is going on here is I've got these pork chops in the butter and the grease, cooking up the other side here. They're getting pretty good. And of course the bacon is getting almost crispy enough for my wife to enjoy it. She likes mildly crispy bacon. Alright. And then I did put a few more smaller sticks down there just to try to get the fire going a little bit more, bring some of the life back to the embers, and get this cooked up a little bit longer because I've been out here for a couple hours already trying to get the fire going, burning it down, getting the nice coals, and now cooking the meat. But this should taste really good. Erin said she didn't want a pork chop, but I bet you after I cut her a piece, she'll want one. Might have to split mine with her. Jack's home now. Jack might want one of them pork chops. But yeah, we'll get this sucker cooking and plate it up, and we'll go for a test run. I think I might have to flip the other side on them pork chops again here in a few minutes to just cook them up a little more golden brown. They look like they're a little pink still in the middle. That bacon is cooking up nice. Chopsticks. What a good thought. That's Fowler's Makery and Mischief on YouTube. And I'm sure I probably put that name down below on the screen already. Fowler's Makery and Mischief. They actually have an item that if I remember to purchase again, I will be showing on my channel. An item that I love to cook with so much, in fact, that we ran out. So I don't have any right now. Otherwise, I'd be throwing some on these pork chops. Look at that puppy go, huh? Get this puppy turned around too, huh? There we go. Boy, I'm smelling that pork chop now. Smells delicious. A little bit longer and I think we'll be ready to eat. Gosh, those look good. Alright, so we're here at the plate up point. I got my delicious gourmet bacon and the pork choppers. I got my plate and the wife's plate since she's only having bacon and a little bit of the pork chop. But let's see how well the pork chop turned out. Get one out of here. Try to cut this in half here. Beautiful. I don't know if you can get that real good on camera there. It's pretty white. Beauty. Let's cut the next one here. Another score. Beautiful white pork. Okay, let's throw a few slices of bacon on there. Just a few. And give some to the wife. Now the important part of this entire program here is the first bite, right? Pretty juicy. What the fuck? Oh, I'm cutting into my own chopstick. There we go. Not bad. Maybe squirt a little ketchup or something on there just to... I mean, the flavor's good. Just nothing that's really a wow, that's delicious kind of thing, you know? Pretty good. Okay, the wife's going to try the bacon. We're going to go for the bacon first because she's a bacon girl. She'll know if it's good or not.
Oh,
is that cooked properly?
Mm-hmm.
Not too crispy.
Mm.
Try the... Well, finish what's in your mouth and try the pork chop, huh? I already tried it, so... It's not bad, huh? I didn't put any seasoning or anything. It's just grilled in the bacon grease and the butter I used in the pan. Does it pass?
Very good.
Would you like more pork chop? Yeah? More pork chop?
Thank you. Yes, more pork chop.
Okay. All right.
And
okay, so this is a little bit of the aftermath from last night. I just decided I had so much fun recording a video while I cooked on here, and I think people enjoy watching camp cook videos. I thought I would cook some lunch on here. I don't know exactly what the menu is going to be yet, but so we're going to get a fire roaring again. First thing I got to do is get this grill out of the way. Raise that up. Just like so. And I was hoping I'd still have some embers or coals left in here, and it doesn't appear to be so. So what I gotta do is how I do it, rather than starting a fire directly on the ash, I like to collect up some of the wood around the fire that didn't burn and lay that down as a little base. And it kind of cleans up the fire pit a little bit. A lot of this little bits and pieces don't get burned, you know. Put them on there. Okay. So here's a little look into the fire starters my wife makes. Oh, that one still had an egg in it. So obviously egg carton, lint from the dryer, and drizzle wax all over that to kind of hold it in place. And you light these up and they burn for, I don't know, a good 5, 7, maybe 10 minutes. You only really need one, but I'll tell you what, we got about 1,000, no kidding, about 1,000 of these. So might as well use them up. Just kind of find spots, you know. And don't forget your tinder. We have plenty of tinder. My wife trimmed down a couple of trees in the yard. So we got a lot of sticks laying around. I piled them up into a corner of the garage outside here for just such an occasion as this. A little campfire cooking. Pile up some of that. Let's see. Let's see how these matches fare. They are quite old and have, yep, they're moldy. Look at that. They just crumble right apart. Gonna have to throw that out. No fear, no fear. A lighter is here. Here we go, gents and ladies. We're just gonna start the fire starters here. Like I said, they burn for, 5 to 7 minutes, so that's plenty of time for me to get some more small sticks broken up. Sorry if I'm blocking the view. Gotta get this puppy lit. Nope, knock some of my sticks down. Light that up. At least now you got something to kind of look at, right? Just sprinkle them on there. Not too heavy, not too light. Let's break up some more sticks. So I don't know. We're not going to cook anything major. I mean, pork chops were good last night. I mean, nothing fancy, but they were good. A little bacon grease and melted butter tasted nice. I'm thinking sloppy joes. Aaron seems to think we got enough stuff to make that. Missing the buns and sliced cheese. What's the sliced cheese for? On top of the sloppy joes. That's right, slice of cheese on top of there. And my sister and her daughter are going to be coming over, so we'll be doing some sloppy joes. I think we'll have to see what the overall vote is for. Okay, I'm just going to keep piling larger and larger sticks on top of here. This looks like it's starting to go. I'm going to let the smaller sticks have a little bit of time on here to kind of get warmed up and to start burning. It is unusually warm in Minnesota right now. El Nino, I guess, is to blame. But it's like, I don't know. My outside thermometer says it's above 40. So that's pretty crazy, man. So I'm taking advantage of it. Anyways, I'm gonna keep stoking this fire, and I'll bring you back when we got a nice roaring, smoking flames going. Here we go.
Ooh. Cool. Wow.
Hey, Luna. You want to be on camera, big girl? You sniffing? You sniffed the whole thing. Luna Patoons. Are you a pretty girl? Luna. It's all wet. Luna, are you a pretty girl? Yeah, you pretty girl. You like being outside camping dog. Outside camping dog. So this is what our fire has built into so far, with a little bit of the wife's help, even though she's currently laid up. Let's hear about this latest adventure by Aaron.
Yeah. Hello, everybody. So we rescued a dog named Luna, which you guys have already seen her. And on my birthday, the 29th of December, I was taking her to go get spaded. And she was excited, and she thought we were going for a walk, and I wasn't ready. And she got excited and took off and pulled me down, and I landed on the side of our rock garden on the side of the house, and it's got sharp edges, and I fell and I cracked it right in half, my kneecap. So right here, it's cracked right in half. but and then now it's healing. So it's been since December now now I've been in a different brace and unable to go hiking or camping again.
Mhm.
So I'm laid up until at least the beginning of March when I go back to the doctors, and I'm doing physical therapy right now, and I'm able to somewhat start to move it again.
Yeah.
It's
The
just
brace is
painful.
the brace is made to bend just a little bit,
Yeah,
or she can lock it in place when she's moving around.
yeah. So I just got out of my ankle braces, and now I'm into a knee brace. So,
Yeah.
but hopefully by the summer I'll be ready to go again. Go
At
for some
least a little
hikes.
bit here and there, right?
Yeah, just gotta start off easy. I can't just go. Yeah, it's gonna be a
Yeah.
while.
Hey, that's a really great poncho you have on there.
Yeah, I got it from my awesome husband for Christmas this year. It's a big poncho he got me for when we go camping and out
Oh
here
yeah.
and stuff. And I'm always cold, and then by the fire, I like to have a blanket, and I'm always fighting with it. So this one can stay on me; it doesn't fall off me, and
Mhm.
it was a really good buy.
And there's
Thank you,
Maddie.
husband.
No problem. All right, let's go interview the assaulter. Luna, do you know what you did to her? Luna. Luna, do you know that you broke her kneecap, Luna? Do you know that you did that? You don't look very upset about the whole thing at all.
I don't care. She's invested in something down there.
The grease from last night's dinner. I should have poured it in the fire. I poured it down there, so she's been going mad. Which is fine, keeps her out of the other stuff around here. Okay, so turns out I made a mistake. I thought I was doing the right thing by reusing the pan that we had last night. And then my wife informed me that this was an indoor pan that wasn't supposed to come outside. And I think, yeah, we can clean that up, right? With a scrubby or something. We'll find out. I might have screwed up another pan, so we might have two camping pans now. But anyways, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start warming the pan. There's still a little bit of grease in there from last night. I didn't take it all out. Just took a napkin and wiped out the majority. We're gonna warm this up and get this ready. Oh, we're switching up the menu. We're going to tacos tonight. So my sister and her daughter won't be joining us, but we're gonna have tacos. So let's get this pan all warmed up here. All right. All right, we're ready to put our ground beef into our pan here. It's been warming up enough. And we got nice hot coals. If you look down in here, we've got some good hot coals in here that are going to produce a lot of heat for cooking, just like we did last night. Even though we had to add just a little bit more wood last night to keep it going. We're going to smooth this out, spread it out good, so that we have a nice surface to cook over. We'll throw this back on. Okay. Got a nice hot surface to work with. Smoky. Yep, that'll do. Ugh, these have been defrosted. Beautiful ground beef.
And then number 2.
Yeah, we're gonna do 2 pounds because I don't know, we tend to always make leftovers. Okay. All right, let's get that lowered down. To where we feel like Yeah, that might burn. Might want to bring that up just a hair. Just check with my hand there. Yeah, it's still pretty warm. Those are some hot coals. We're gonna try right there, and I'll bring you back when I start mixing this around and we start getting the.
A lot because it takes a lot.
Okay, we're gonna. Still a little pink, but like I was just saying, I want the seasoning to get inside of the meat as we stir it around here. So it kind of cooks into the meat, and then it'll be very flavorful. Oh, Jack's got to switch sides.
Too smoky.
Yeah, it's starting to get pretty brown. This is, I should show you guys. Can't get this anymore. It's not that it's a limited edition, it's that the Erdman's grocery store, Country Market, is closed. They sold out. Hy-Vee is there now.
2020.
So this taco seasoning is no longer available except in Hy-Vee brand, which I'm sure they probably changed the formula.
A little bit.
The labels look almost identical to this though, so I don't know if they're trying to fool people, but Erdman's, you can no longer get this stuff. And they had a ton of good seasonings to use. But we're gonna let that cook around a little bit more and stir it here and keep an eye on it. Almost there, guys. I'm gonna put this in a blooper.
Alright, guys.
You're an idiot.
I'm gonna make you a burrito or taco right now.
Yep.
Okay, you're getting ready to go in or
Nope.
what?
Nope. I was just saying, okay, guys, let's get ready. Let's get this on the show on the road.
All right. He's been recording this whole time.
Oh. Whoops.
Okay, so anyways, here we are. We got our meat ready. We got plenty of cheese. The first one goes to the wife. Here we are. That's hot.
That's good.
That's good for
Yeah.
meat? For real?
Yeah.
Okay.
She
Crazy
don't
lady.
like meat apparently.
We got some cheese over here. You want to do your own amount of cheese?
That's good.
Okay. Give that a go and see what you think. It's nothing fancy. Let me know if it needs more seasoning too.
Stop.
No,
Well,
no.
I guess I could have took a small one. Are these
Right.
big ones?
Yes. That's all we have.
Mmm.
Seasoning good?
Mm-hmm. Good.
Cool. All right. Well, we're going to get to eating then. No matter how much we fight with her, sometimes it's easier just to let her have her way for a little bit. Luna, you're on my cot. Luna Patoons. You're on my cot, big girl. Yeah. No growling. You're on my cot. Luna Patoons. Oh boy, kisses. Oh boy, kisses. You be good girl. Luna, be good girl. You wagging your tail, goofball? Hey there, everybody. Just thought I'd jump on here because I just noticed editing this video that I did not put an ending on here. So I just wanted to say that the burritos were a hit. Everything turned out well. I'm going to try to get this video finished up and posted so you guys can check it out and get started on the next one. I've already got a recorded video for the next one here that I got to get started on. So thanks for watching. And hang in there, guys. More to come. All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye now.